Welcome to the Prosper. This 2-bedroom apartment home is focused on offering a fresh perspective on luxury living. Located in Abberly Liberty Crossing in Charlotte, North Carolina, the Prosper was designed with you in mind. It features a private balcony or patio, generous living space, 9-foot ceilings, and expansive windows allowing for plenty of natural light. The chef-friendly kitchen has granite countertops, subway tile backsplashes, and a breakfast bar. You have a lot of cabinets and counter space, as well as a pantry. Your owner suite wraps you in luxury. This spacious bedroom offers a large walk-in closet and a lavish full bathroom. Flooded by natural light, the second bedroom offers enough room for a bed and a desk, which can be perfect for working or learning from home. You also get another large closet, perfect for any overflow storage needs. Convenience is key, and this home offers a laundry room, extra closets, and ADT smart home technology. The Prosper is just one of many floor plans at Abberly Liberty Crossing. Our homes have valet trash service, offer elevator access, and residents enjoy a pet-friendly policy with no breed restrictions. So, are you ready to explore the comfort and style waiting for you? Visit AbberlyLibertyCrossing.com. Abberly Liberty Crossing by HHHunt Apartment Homes is part of HHHunt. Visit all of our communities and learn more at HHHunt.com.